Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix this operation has been cancelled due to restrictions in effect on this computer. Please contact your system administrator in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type Registry Editor. Click on open it. Now you just need to check my video description for this registry file path used in my video. Just to copy and paste it and press enter. In under policies, you just need to expand the explorer and right click on the disk solo run. Just right click on it and delete it and select yes. Now you just need to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution, you just need to go to search menu and type gp edit. Comes up edit group policy, click on open it. In here under user configuration, click on the administrative templates and under administrative templates you just need to expand the system. After selecting the system on right side, you just need to find don't run specified Windows applications. Just double click on it. You just need to select this to not configured and select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.